Exe.
I'm here with
Sicho.
Lamondre. Okay, Sicho ngimbuzo lana. How often do you talk to women?
I talk with them sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
So like most pegile when on the scale of 10 ungasirate ngakhi?
You 10 out of 10.
Out of 10.
Damn it.
Oh sure.
What time?
Okay.
Street.
Yakha.
Hello, mommy.
Hi.
Shop.
Shapena.
Shop. Barkwena ma.
Kina ak.
Mang.
Aka.
Aka.
Yeah.
Wana kina Sicho.
Sicho.
Emarondiela mama.
Wow, that's cute.
What's about kubona yo like yo. Damn man. Kura kids kereng.
Oh.
Ish.
Oh.
Unnaga.
Kina moko starting soon.
Starting 6 Kai.
Allendale.
Wana kina mitrent.
Mitran.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mitrent ko ish damn man.
Teme. Why? What's up with the teme, bro?
Like yo. Kuna kile kom.
Oh, you come.
Street.
Oh, yo.
Yeah, emarana ndiela mama.
Serious?
Ish. Like one to be.
Ma pegili type ya.
Ish. 100%.
100% type ya ka?
Yeah.
O type ya ka?
Khana no tupona o type. Eh?
Show me no.
Wa bolela so.
I kona ha.
How can I? Vela snu.
Yeah, snowy. You'll never be my type, boy.
That's a bar.
Yes, you could and whatnot, but you're not my type. Yes.
Marab shoot pelamela ng force.
Yeah.
Marab kal utab gutish. Yanyenze yaba. Yeah. I'm sure fandakish ngicabanga ngami.
Ngiyacabanga ngawe?
Yeah.
Ungacabanga ngehora wena.
Ngehora. Oh, kasi uyathuza. Uzibonile wena njani?
Beautiful.
Wena. Uchelo bani lokho?
Ngitshalo yimi.
Yo. I'm sure like us lakho yo.
Aha, like akhamba ningabangikhalela uthi ngale.
Bayakhalela.
Yeah.
Bathumuhle. Damn.
Akasazi singisi guys.
Yeah, phela apha nake tsibe sigowa mina.
Opa umphema ka nkere ba tshwala.
Oh.
Aba kenya kino, akino. Okay. Urula kae? Urule udula ko Mitran.
Yeah.
Type ya ha ke motho jwa?
Ke motho tsana le wena so.
Type ya tsana le nna, wa tsana le nna.
Ke re ke a go tshoro ntiela mama.
Serious?
Street.
Aw, uya bathanda bakela bafa ama eyelash.
Wait till you see the.
Ba re no bjaleng man. Ba siphuzo tshwaleng.
Mina angiphuzi cabanga ngitane sona.
Mara ufaka ngama eyelash.
Ngifaka ama eyelash. Serious?
Ufaka ngama eyelash.
Ngifaka ama eyelash.
Yona ne computer tsana correct.
Ke tsona correct.
Wena.
O ka nkengisa Francis.
Wena. Ya nka utsenje. Akere go buditse re type ya ka mara na re la utsa sona type ya ka. Mara nna nka utsenje. Nka o isha honeymoon mama.
Honeymoon.
Le Dubai mama.
Le Dubai.
Apere bona video. Mama.
John.
Kupa hak.
Hak. Ngasona.
Why? Awanyaki.
Kwa.
Vele kuna since ku buditse ke sa thomo rasne.
Asne.
Wa go mele man.
Hak mara hak John.
And hak is for everyone.
Hak is not for everyone.
It's for everyone. Apele ngwana o crashing ka ta ka mmitsa mo ka rampha go tompha.
O ka ba?
Street.
Marong balekise gazi mos. Ngikijimisa igazi.
Ngikijimisa. Apha re ngikijimisa ka shura re ke o diela.
Umumpi.
Wifi. Mama.
U representa nendlala la uzongiphathela.
Mina. Yo, uzibonile mara kothi njani? Uyazi uyakhuluma
nje. Ungcomile man.
Ungcomile ngoba
uthe ngiyakwenzela. Uba uzama ukuthini?
Hayi bila kusawunyaka.
If you are
Mina cheese mina. Cheese. Ngangeneke endaweni mama. Ngiyatsaneya.
Mara wawungangeneki kimi.
Angithi wena vele ayi babonile ukuthi easy target.
Easy target. If bengi easy target kube ngivumile.
Angithi vele mina like kusho ukuthi uyangazi ungijwayele maybe
ngikujwayela ngicela ukukubona cha.
Uyaqala ne awusazongibona.
ngiyabona niyaflirta la, what's going on?
As flats, as flats.
Is it not your type?
No, he's not my type.
Make something like
Okay, he's tall and whatnot, but he's not light skinned. I'm not against your color.
So you're into yellow pawns?
Yes.
Next thing.
Wena udia matepe man. Undiela matepe wena. Udia matepe ngwana. Udia matepe wena.
Wena uthini uza kusebenza type
Yeah?
uthini na like?
Lo undiela matepe ungitshela ukuthi akusimi type yakhe.
Mara ngizokubuza imust ukuthi ube type yami mara.
Akusima.
Wena ukhulu u-right mara kusi type yami.
Nami ngikutshelile ukuthi vele mina nawe asifanelani.
Yes, we don't see future la.
Future na. Wena uyibona ifuture mara mina ngiyazibona ukuthi ngine future.
Une future.
Damn man.
Asina future kule relationship.
Happen nami may do the doings to happen.
What do you do in a for
Yo, ke budi tsore nka o tshwara fresh mara ke a o bona ka rola tlhi. Yo. And o tsana le nna wa se mogumane nna nka o patela. I say. I say.
Okay, looking at his appearance, and how much would you rate him?
8.
Oh my God! It was not 8, which means where is the remaining 2?
Shota ka lerato laka.
Lerato la hao, I kana hao. I know. Swear
Wena weta ngaka. 2.
5.
Where is the remaining 5?
Where's another 5?
The remaining 25. Where is the remaining 5?
Siso hlangana endlini uyazi. Siso ibona phambili.
Okay.
Asangifaka ngama eyelash.
Karona le thatha le nna so.
Would you date a Xhosa hand? Would you handle it a Xhosa hand?
Abaxoxa. Athi.
Turn off.
Mara wena nka o date. Ba bangwe nka ba tlwele mara wena nka o date.
Why? Because you are against Xhosa, so you can't date a Xhosa. You're against Xhosa.
Ape nna ke rata maXhosa ke re ngifuna bangifundisa straight.
You know what umuntu wakho mina ndo
Umuntu apho la umuntu apho. Phela mara uyangithuka ungathi uyangithuka.
Angikuthuki.
Rwandro.
Aporowe. Exactly.
Manje why you fighting?
I'm fighting.
You are fighting.
So you don't think this guy is someone that you can date?
Yes, I don't think so. And he has come and cool and collected and whatnot, but
So no, you admit that he's good looking and everything, but he's not your type.
Yes.
That's because what? Because he's not a yellow pawn or something like that.
Not because it's not a yellow poon. Nah. It's just I don't see future. Pela, what if?
Are you trying to say Mundega? What are you trying to say? Because Mota won future. What do you mean?
I'm going to future. I don't think he's matured enough.
Ma. No. And Russia mama ke mature 100%. Straight.
Kanti umuntu mature umuntu njani? Okay. Asnay.